So I know I'm doing this out of order, but I have to say, I love this car. Here's why. This is a 2008 Ferrari F430 Scuderia, an already rare car made even rarer. You see, this particular Scuderia is owned by European Auto Group, and thanks to some choice Ferrari parts, they've made this a one-of-one special edition vehicle. All the typical Ferrari hardware you'd expect is here. Carbon ceramic brakes front and rear, big wide wheels and tires, and a lot of venting for the mid-mounted V8 engine. What's different about this Scuderia is what's inside. You see, it's inside the Scuderia with its carbon fiber door sills and no carpet and Alcantara and carbon fiber everything. That something truly special is taking place here. Instead of using the standard super fast 2 automated manual transmission, European Auto Group has converted this to a true 6-speed manual with a stick shift and a clutch pedal. How cool is that? Time to go for a drive then, isn't it? Now, fair warning to everyone watching, I'm gonna have very little in the way of bad things to say about this car, because holy shit! It's a Ferrari F430 Scuderia with a 6-speed manual conversion. Are you kidding me? Yes, While we were filming this car, someone spotted it and recognized it, came up, and knew exactly what it was. They knew it was the Scuderia. The Scuderia. That's something you can't say about most cars, because it's the only one with the 6-speed stick. And by the time the guy left, he literally said he was shaking because this car has so much presence. And surprise, surprise, behind the wheel, it's even more intense. I'm literally driving through traffic, having fun. The experience is so visceral at all levels. The car is loud, the interior is loud, the interior is extreme, the whole car is extreme. But the 6-speed stick is actually a delight to drive. The clutch pedal sure is stiff, but it's very easy, very manageable in traffic. And whatever European Auto Group has done when they did the 6-speed manual conversion, this shifter is seriously perfection. It is the best manual transmission I've ever experienced in any car at any price point ever. Seriously, rowing this car through the gears is one of the greatest automotive joys I've ever experienced before. I've been doing this for years. Can I make this left? Yep. picks up and goes, even at the bottom of 4th gear. Oh, it's such an aggressive, metallic, hard-edged sound. I love it. God, listen to it. Oh, oh my God. I've driven faster cars. I've driven much faster cars, but nothing is as visceral as this thing. It's truly unbelievable. The way it sounds, the way it goes, and with this 6-speed manual, the way it drives is unbelievable. Oh my God. Oh. I might cry. Oh my God. Between the way the V8 engine rolls into the power and the smoothness and the quickness of this 6-speed manual, it's seriously the perfect powertrain pairing. I'm in shock. It's so easy to get in and drive it quickly. And the thing is, because European Auto Group has used all Ferrari original parts, it feels just like an original car. This feels like it could have come from Ferrari. But for whatever reason, they didn't do it. But European Auto Group has. Thank God. It's amazing. Just, the engine sounds amazing. The transmission is just amazing. Oh my God. I have to contain myself. I'm on the public roads, but this car just wants to get up and go all the time. It's so exciting. I'm losing my voice from screaming. Oh my God. Okay, so what do you need to know? Well, for the time being, European Auto Group says they're only converting regular F430s and not the Scuderia, though that is subject to change. What you do need to know is the conversion costs about $30,000. And from behind the wheel of this thing, it's absolutely worth it. I mean, yeah, right. Okay. God, heel and toe is so easy. European Auto Group has been telling me that you can buy used Ferrari 430s for around 80 to 100 grand, and you put in 30 more grand for the conversion, you have a $130,000 sports car that's easily better than or more exciting than any modern $200,000 plus supercar. I mean, recently I drove the Lamborghini Huracan Peppermonte Spider, and to me, I thought that was the pinnacle of naturally aspirated mid-engine Italian excitement, but this tops it. It's just so exciting all the time. I'm like almost frothing at the mouth behind the wheel of this thing.
Hit that sign.
Yeah. So, unfortunately, my time in this car has come to an end. I wish I could drive it for the rest of my life. Thank you to European Auto Group. Check them out on YouTube. Check them out on Instagram. I'll have the links in the video and in the description down below. These guys are doing amazing work. They're doing what Ferrari didn't, but it feels just like Ferrari could have done this. It feels just like a stock car, but it's just so good. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna go cry now. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.